Dobrý den, milí diváci. Společnost Zehnder, přední dodavatel sálavého vytápění a chlazení, designových otopných těles a větrání s rekuperací tepla, v České republice právě otevírá nové sídlo a školicí centrum Zehnder Climate Center. U příležitosti slavnostního otevření tohoto centra u nás vítáme pana Hans-Petera Zehendera, předsedu dozorčí rady společnosti Zehnder Group. Hello, Hans-Peter, good morning.
Peter, I'm looking forward to this meeting and I thank you for the invitation.
Welcome. Hans-Peter, vznik společnosti Zehnder je prý svázán se zajímavou historií motocyklů. Je to pravda?
It is an interesting story because it started in 1923 when my grandfather, together with his 6 brothers, developed this motorbike. And this motorbike was produced for about 6-7 years, and then the world recession came all over the countries. And in this economic environment, the sales went back. And my grandfather started about thinking for a new product, and the steel tubes which were used for making the frame of the motorbike gave him the idea that he could use steel tubes to make heating radiators and to replace the heavy cast iron radiators. And this was introduced in 1930 with a patent which was valid for the whole Europe.
Nyní je ovšem Zehnder předním světovým dodavatelem řešení pro zdravé vnitřní klima. Jak se sortiment vlastně postupně rozšiřoval?
For many years or for decades even, we had a lot of success with radiators. The turnover was growing everywhere year by year. But in the 90s we found out that the insulation of the houses became bigger and the need for heating was declining. This meant that we sold less radiators. And we were thinking about a new product, and we wanted to have something which is an adjacent business with the same customers. And then finally we found out that ventilation is a good new second leg.
Jak si v rámci Zehnder Group stojí Česká republika?
Zehnder Group in Czech Republic is a small company, but it already crossed 1% of the group sales, which is already a major step forward. But what is more important for me that Czech Republic company has been growing 22% each year in the last 10 years. So it's a record champion regarding growth of sales.
Jaký je podíl obratu v jednotlivých segmentech společnosti?
Today we have about 60% is sales of ventilation and 40% is with radiators, including ceiling panels.
Pojďme nyní po jednotlivých segmentech vaší činnosti. O rekuperaci tepla se hodně mluví, ale pokud vím, tak vaše systémy toho umí mnohem více.
There are few functions which we can provide to the customer. The first function is that we can also bring in fresh air. We can also bring in the fresh air and filter it if the environment is around the house is dirty. We can also cool the air. That is very important in summertime, because then temperatures are rising, and today everybody wants to have a cool environment like you have in the car, which is standard. Another important possibility is that we can also humidify the air or dehumidify according to the environment our system is working in.
Společnost Zehnder vyrábí krásné radiátory. Jak si stojí business s tímto produktem?
Actually, starting last year and this year, we saw that the second half of last year, in most countries, the economy was slowing down, and we are suffering from this decline in most countries. But not only radiators are declining, but all of the products also, and it's a general trend throughout the building supply industry.
Třetím segmentem je sálavé stropní vytápění. Proč jej upřednostňujete před podlahovým vytápěním?
Ceiling panels are an ideal solution for heating the room because we have insulated the top of the panel, so the heat radiates to the floor, which is a very comfortable heat. It reacts much faster than floor heating. It also allows to provide more functions. We can also cool with the ceiling panels. We can also absorb noise, which is very important in offices or in exposition rooms where we would like to have a quiet environment.
Jedna věc je návrh a výroba produktů, ale druhá věc je technická podpora pro zákazníky. Jakou technickou podporu pro své klienty nabízíte?
Our offer not only includes the supply of the hardware, it also includes pre-sales support, service support, planning support for the planners. It includes support for the installers, and it also includes support in the after-sales service. Very important for us, because we are selling systems, not only components, that we can train our customers, planners as well as installers. And training centers are a very important marketing tool for us. We have different training centers in major countries here, and we are now also opening tomorrow this training center in the Czech Republic, and I'm very proud that I can attend this very important step here.
Významnými trendy jsou zdraví a udržitelnost v současné době ve stavebnictví. Jak s nimi nakládá společnost Zehnder?
I think these are two major trends where we can give answers and support the need for health and energy saving. In the regard of health, as I explained, we can filter the air, we can treat the air and exchange the air in the room so that we have always a good indoor climate. Regarding sustainability, I'm very proud that our products help to reduce the CO2 footprint, because we recover the heat in the room when we bring in fresh air, and our heat recovery rate is up to 90% we can save. This is an enormous amount of CO2 which we can avoid.
V současné době nikdo nemůže zůstat stát na místě v biznesu. Jaký potenciál inovací vidíte ve svém oboru vy?
For us in the radiator business, we produce design products. So we have to adapt the design of our radiators according to new trends, which are in interior architecture changing too. In the regard of comfort system, ventilation systems, we see a lot of opportunities to provide even more air treatment functions, as I've explained. Then a general trend we profit from is digitization, which allows that connectivity with our customers, say the planners, the supporting in their planning work, the installers when they install our system, and also the end user when he uses our products.
Hans-Peter, thank you very much for your visit, and wish you a very nice stay in the Czech Republic. Thank you.
Thank you very much.